a great start!
I'll do my best.
And she makes a smooth landing. Hill launches back and multiple speed. Hill is now speeding up. Green is rapidly increasing speed. Eggman is rapidly increasing speed. Hill enters the corner of Flying Cliff. Eggman has done a great job taking advantage of the loop. Look at Shadow ride that turbulence. Look at Jet ride that turbulence. Perfect landing takes advantage of the speed. Hill plays a first class trick. Eggman is building momentum. Hill pulls off a high trick. Look at Ooze ride that turbulence. Hill is rapidly increasing speed. Sonic is building momentum. Hill is going to dash. Sonic is rapidly increasing speed. Green is rapidly increasing speed. Eggman is rapidly increasing speed. Boogaloo has done a great job taking advantage of the wind. Tail enters the corner of Flying Cliff. Looks like Tail just threw wind and he's flying. Tail is going to dash. Look at Shadow ride that turbulence. Ooze is rapidly increasing speed. Boogaloo is rapidly